Only few clay gets a beautiful color after firing without glazes. And Bizen is one of them. The singularity of Bizen pottery is we don't use any glazes. Instead, we would fire the kiln, and this ashes of the firewood makes some special colors and texture effect. So the loading and firing is, in a way, it's a glazing for Bizen pottery. So those the color and pattern effect depends on the place those pieces stay in a kiln. So the location is very important because it all depends on the temperature and how much ash falls and the air, the oxygen, and the time. It's so much fun. When I'm doing it, I'm so into it. Sometimes I make good piece, and sometimes I fail. But once it's done, I move to another piece. And what I want to do, I want to express through this my pottery is the primitive power of the clay and the fire. The figure itself is just a device to express those power. The function is just a basic thing. And what really matters is that it's beautiful or not. And I need to capture some story or some music behind the figure. It takes 2 weeks to load and 10 days to fire the kiln. Since wood firing is not as stable as gas firing or electric firing, the result is not always constant. Sometimes the temperature doesn't rise up. Sometimes there is too much air or too less ashes. So it gets various results each time. From the past experiences, many trials and errors, I'm studying how to let some special effect happen as I wish. And it's what we call the happy accident in the kiln. And that is the most interesting part of wood firing.